Do you want to make something quick, easy, and healthy to have for breakfast? All you have to do is just make this smoothie. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Grumblytummy. Today we are going to make a healthy peanut butter banana smoothie. So let's begin. We'll need one sliced banana, 2 tablespoon oats, 2 tablespoon peanut butter unsweetened. You can even use sweetened peanut butter. 2 teaspoon cocoa powder, and finally 1 cup milk. Now add them all into a blender jar. You can even add honey as a sweetener. Blend them until there are no banana chunks left. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. The link is down below, and see you next time.